Today I was able to make just over $18,000 in realized gains trading stocks. What's up guys, it's Matt from Iconic Traders, otherwise known as Hustle. So today I was able to make just over $18,000 in realized gains trading stocks, and I'm going to go over a couple of stocks that I traded with you, one being EDSA and the other one being NETE. I was able to go long and short on both of these stocks, so I'm going to go over those, quick little trade review for you guys to tell you how I made majority of my money today, which was in those two stocks. I did have a couple of little losses that ate away at my gains. Explain the strategies that I used to make this money today, and then hopefully you guys can learn something from this too. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I'm gonna go over my first trade with you guys today, guys. This was a neat. This one I was able to catch pre-market, so I pretty much had the same setup on two different stocks today, which was really nice for me. So this is one of my favorite plays when it comes into pre-market plays. So what I like to do is see a stock run, and then I like to see it break its previous high. So obviously you can see right in there, stock made a run right up to 815. Had a nice big pullback here. So first flag, and then continued on upwards and right on up into this. And then this was the area I was looking for here, where we had this nice little consolidation area on the stock. You were able to see that it held. So I was able to just kind of buy into this dip and then sell right up into here. Now, I was actually in and out long on this trade, guys, before pre-market ended. Just over $1,400, almost $1,450 long on this, up this line here, up this 815s line, selling into previous lines from the daily. That this was my zone, my target zone, and over the previous high, right? That's a play I like to do. Buy a dip, sell into the high, and then wait for the next setup. Once I was able to get locates on this, it was actually, I had a kind of issue with my broker at first. I had located 1,000 shares, but I didn't get them. So I had to call the broker, and by the time I got them, this halt already happened. Waited for this kind of candle here, and then was able to short off this 1221 line, which is a line from the daily. And also you could see here was a resistance point in the pre-market. So, and then I was able to take this short, ride this all the way out. And what I'm going to do for you guys here is just pull up my chart for you so you guys can see. This is my chart here on NETE, long here, selling into here, waiting, and then pop right back into this VWAP test. Sorry, I was actually shorted in here. Right back into this VWAP test, able to ride it out, covered my whole position, added into this pop, and then able to cover again. So nice little trade here, guys. This one worked out really well for me, super stoked about it. And I was able to make $3,600 short off just 1,000 shares. I recycled them twice. Pretty good earnings per share there. Now, EDSA was the other chart that I traded this morning. Now, I have experience with this stock. I know the numbers on the stock. I have traded this stock before. So same thing on this one, guys, with EDSA, just buying this first pullback, which was nice. And then as you can see, it bounced right off 13 EMA and then sold into the high. So, and I can pull that chart up for you guys too. On this one, guys, I made $55,000 to the long here. So you can see buying this pullback, selling into the high, which is a previous number from the daily chart. And then I left a little bit of room there. And then, so this was me just dumping my position on the way down. And then I started short, even though it looks like a lot of orders, I actually didn't have that much size through this spike. Once it came back down, I was able to add all my size back on the backside here and then wash this all the way down, covered into after hours for a realized gain of $10,452 on this one. So super happy with these, both these trades, guys. I had a couple other ones, APT, CCL got away from me today. And then I had CDLX that kind of got a little bit away from me. But other than that, made the majority of my money on both of these stocks today, guys. Just using previous lines and watching price action and using, the boost force strategies, F1 breakout in the pre-market, and then retest of the highs and a rejection, and then using 13 EMA and VWAP as kind of my areas of interest to short off previous levels. And as you can see, the pre-market levels here, guys, started to hold 852. Even after this spike, it had one big shot of candle volume. If you look on the 5 minutes, quite a bit clearer. One big, super extended wick with a big lot of volume, somebody getting out of their position, trying to squeeze everybody out. And then you can see 850's line goes right back to resistance. So able to use this as my kind of guidance, shorting and then covering into the lows. I was able to pretty much cover low a day. This stock alone, I was able to make, you know, $15,507.87. So with that and neat, you know, yeah, another 5,000. So just between those two stocks alone, guys, $20,000 in gains. And then, yeah, I took a little bit of a hit on a couple other stocks. What you guys will see in the video here, I got all my positions for closed positions on the video. So guys, that was my $18,120 something day. Super stoked about it, super excited about it. It's my second biggest trading day of my career, and I streamed it live in front of all of our iconic students. So if you like these videos, like, subscribe, comment below. My Instagram is hustle_iconic. Hit us up at Iconic Traders. Look out for some new videos. We've got Camera Foos just dropped 15 years of day trading tells all video, plus a new cribs tour, and I got my new vlog coming out here in a couple days also. So check all those videos out. Peace.